Good day, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Jay here, and we're back again with another video. And we are here finally to do prep work, guys. So today we're going to be doing the prep work and we're going to getting the stuff ready to be primed. So further, let's get into it. Check it. So we're going to be using some old newspaper, some masking tape, and just protect the places we don't want to spray. But obviously I have to wipe again. I had problems now with the masking tape sticking, so I'm just have to clean as we go along. And hurting yourself in the process. Just so the masking tape can stick. So let's get into it. Masking ama crème de la crème. So what I'm doing right now is masking taping around the edges of the rubber with the tailgate, and then we're gonna plug the masking tape and the newspaper on that. So have a look. Now the frame's done. Now I'm a newspaper. I'm gonna show you guys now how I like to do the things. Just go find it off and you can come off up here. Try to put it down so. Get the masking with the tape. We can pull up. Just like so. There's one baby done. And so we carry on. This is actually where the time goes, is this prep work. Just so your windscreen doesn't get any paint marks on it, the trim of the car, anything you don't want the same color as the car to be the same color. So we have to do this to prevent that. So bear with me, stay with me, and I promise you it's going to be fun. This is the final step before we prime the car. It's going to be awesome, guys. Stay tuned. So there you go, guys. One tailgate. So now we're going to be doing the doors and all that. So now this is a time consuming process, so we're going to be masking it as from just the top mirror and all that. Bottom we have to mask. So it's gooi, guys, it's gooi. I was going to spray the mirrors same color as the car, but then I realized the black breaks the green and it looks very nice. So yeah, no, keeping it black, my brother. It's gonna be very fun to drive this car. I can't wait. I'm getting shakes here because I'm excited. Yeah, one mirror. Crème de la crème. I'm gonna have to keep this side open because I have to be able to get the car in and out. Yeah. Fun times. Fun times. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, this it's been it for the day. I'm going to show you the progress that I did half the car so long. As I said, this is the time that makes this is what is more time consuming, is the prep work and body to cover up all the stuff. So I'm going to show you now what I've done. So have a look. So I have to still do the back, but I did the side so far. You guys can see there. Back window, as I said, I have to do this front window last because I still need to get the car in and out there. So basically at the bottom there, covered up, you know, mirrors covered. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. And then the tailgate is also done. So yeah, now next time it is to cover the front and then that side, and then, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, then that's it. Then that's prime. So see you guys there, guys. It's gonna be awesome, man. Sweet, sweet.